So recently, while listening to Modi ji in Bihar, I heard him say that the makhana, which originates in Bihar, has got a GI tag. Now, you might be thinking, what is a GI tag? So GI tag is called Geographical Indication Tag. अब ये जोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन टैग होता क्या है? ये एक ऐसा सिंबल है या एक ऐसा नाम है जो उन स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट्स को दिया जाता है जो किसी स्पेसिफिक रीजन से या किसी स्पेसिफिक कंट्री से ओरिजिनेट होते हैं, या इसका मतलब है कि किसी रीजन से वो एक्सट्रैक्ट किए जाते हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू जीआई ऑफ गुड्स या जोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट 1999, which came into effect on 15th of September 2003, GI tag is one of the most important and most crucial activity as of today. So GI tags promotes traditional knowledge, cultural heritage, regional diversity and global marketing of our local product. So global marketing of a local product is very much important for today's generation. So GI tag ensures that none of the unauthorized person, अगर कोई एक ऐसा इंसान है जो अनजान है उस प्रोडक्ट से, जिसका उस प्रोडक्ट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, अगर हमारे पास उस प्रोडक्ट का GI टैग है तो उस इंसान को हम उस प्रोडक्ट का नाम यूज करने से रोक सकते हैं. We can stop him using the product name if he or she is an unauthorized person. So if I was to give an example to you, we have all heard about Darjeeling tea, right? Darjeeling tea is a GI tag of India. Then in the handicraft field, we have Kanchipuram silk. Everybody knows what is Kanchipuram sarees, right? Kanchipuram silk is very famous. It also comes under GI tag. And recently I have heard that foxnut, which is called as makhana, is also a GI tag of India. Not only this, India as of 2024 has 603 other registered GI tags. Now, have you known this about the GI tag? No? Now you know it.